Hello, welcome. Today we've got another ink review video for you. This is a sample of the Star Child by Wearingeul, and apparently this has some shimmer in it, so I need to shake it up pretty good. All right, let's do a swatch real quick and see how this looks. Okay, so this looks kind of like I don't know, like a tan, like a very autumn type color. Like an orangey brown a little bit. Very pretty. All right, let's do some swirls. All right, I'm gonna put a little bit extra down here. Okay, that's a very pretty color so far. So if you like the browns and the autumn colored inks, this would be a really good one. All right, let's check out the name here. Okay, the Star Child. And this is by Wearingeul. All right, so I'm going to put this under a fan to dry, and I will be right back. Here's how it looks so far. I'll be right back. All right, so now I've got some copy paper. We're going to test how it performs on that. I'm going to just shake it up in case it's got those shimmers that I suspect it has. Okay, there we go. And the reason I test these out on copy paper is because sometimes if you're going to be at work or school, you might not have access to your nicer papers and you just want to know if the ink is going to behave. So let's test it out. Yep, I see some shimmers coming out perfect. Okay. This is copy paper. Okay, and this is kind of neat. We'll look at this when it dries, but it's looking pretty cool so far. All right, here's some HP 32 paper, and I always test on this because it's a nice in-between between super cheap papers and some of the more expensive papers. It's still copy paper and it's still fairly inexpensive, but it has a nice smooth finish that the ink responds well to. And if there are any colors that you would like to see me review, just leave a comment and let me know what you want to see. If I have it or if I can get it, then we'll make a review video for it. All right, this is HP 32. Okay, and I also see a little bit of shading possibly. So this is going to be a fun one. All right, let's try it on some Tomo River paper. And we'll look at these more closely at the end once everything is dried. I'm going to shake it. Okay. Oops, I wrote the name first. Well, let's get that out of the way. Tomo River paper. Okay. I guess I let my mind get a little distracted or something. All right, and this is, yeah, HP 32 was the other one, so we're fine. Okay, so Tomo River, I guess now that I've written everything out of order, I'm completely lost as to what I'm supposed to be doing. All right, so this looks good. I'm going to give it a chance to dry. I'm also going to check on the swatch, see if that's dry. I'll be right back. Okay, so this came out really nice. So first of all, here is the copy paper, and you can see the shimmers there on the swatches pretty clearly if the camera is picking that up. It's very pretty, very unique. It's like a pinky, fuchsia-y, purpley kind of a shimmer. And the ink itself, although there is a little bit of feathering here, you can actually see a little bit of shading as well. So this one might not be so bad for copy paper or for cheap papers. And you got that lovely shimmer, which is a really unique shade. I don't normally see pinks and purples and things over brown colored ink, so that's really fun. And then on this HP 32, you can really see the shading come out. It's very, very nice. And then of course on these swatches here, you can really see that shimmer. It's so pretty. And on the Tomo River paper, again, This really shows off the shading as well. Really nice. You could really see it, even though the shimmers here in the writing kind of cover it up a little bit. It's not nearly so bad. You can still pick it up. And then, of course, you can see the shimmers here and this beautiful shading in the swatches. This reminds me of a walnut ink that I checked out once. It's not for fountain pens. It's for dip pens only, but it had a pink shimmer, and I purposely picked that one out because, again, I don't normally see pink shimmers or anything in the pink range paired with brown or brownish inks. So this is a good option if you like the color of walnut ink and you want a pink shimmer in it, but you want it safe for fountain pens. This might be the way to go, because this does resemble walnut ink somewhat, and at least it's in the brown family, but it's got that beautiful pink shimmer, very unusual. And then here's what the swatch looks like. Very beautiful shimmer. You kind of see that there, very, very pretty. You see a little bit of the shading in there. And I love how you can really see the range of colors. So it goes from this very light brown down to this more medium brown, down to this darker brown that really just kind of shows all the levels of color, which is really pretty. So this is a beautiful ink, very unusual, and I love the fact that they use this fuchsia-y, pinky purple glitter in a brown ink, which I almost never see. So this is a really nice one. If this review was helpful to you at all, or if you liked the video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you can see more. And thank you so much for watching. You have a great day.